in the given figure, angle A equals to angle D equals to 90. Now AC equals to DB, given AC equals to DB. Therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB. ABC to DCB by what test? Now check this. See, this is right angle triangle. Now for right angle triangle, there is always one very peculiar test. That is, see this, we'll see this. Both are right angle triangles. So BC equals to BC, BC equals to BC, common side. AC equals to BC, AC equals to BD it is. BD or DB, you can call it anything. So that is given. So in triangle ABC and triangle DCB, they are congruent by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means that is opposite to 90 degrees. Hypotenuse and side theorem. Now what is this? This is also called hypotenuse leg theorem, HL theorem. The theorem states that if the hypotenuse and one leg, means one side, of a right angle triangle are congruent to hypotenuse and one leg or one side of another right angle triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Means hypotenuse and one side, that should be congruent. In our case they are. Hence the two triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side theorem. This is also called RHS theorem or right hypotenuse side theorem.